It is 6:30 in the morning and we are on our next hike. We take the sunrise with us and then we go to Faulhorn. Enjoy! You will love this hike. Weil you see Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau the whole hike long. Ja, ich glaube die ganze 4 Stunden. About 4 hours. And always Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau. Cool, huh? Rasta is with me too. He is happy to be back on a new hike. Das ist nämlich das erste Mal, wo wir das machen. It is the first time that we are doing this hike. So he has to smell everywhere. Yeah, and to make sure that he mark every little grashalm. Ja, so ist es. Now we already see the other side. Wir sind zwar noch nicht so weit, aber at least we can see. Achtung, Trommelwirbel. Tremors, rolls. Der Thunersee. Ja. And we can see Lake Brienz. Schön, gell? The colors of the sunrise. Schau mal, wie schön. Und irgendwann einmal müssen die eigentlich auch noch aufgeleuchtet sein, der Eiger, Mönch und die Jungfrau. Maybe, die leiten ab. Ah, schau jetzt. Der Mönch is already a little bit lighten up. Schön. Jetzt müssen wir mal schauen. Look. Ja, Lake Brienz. And now, Thunersee. And now, Niesen. Jetzt sehen wir den Brienzer See nochmal. We see Brienz, Lake Brienz again. And we see how everything is lightened up already. Also wenigstens peaks. The peaks are lightened up. Wow, so schön. Sun is here, Razda is happy. Komm, das sind alle. Die Stöcke heben noch. Komm. Oh, schau mal die viele. Was haben wir gesagt? The cowbells. These flowers are called cowbells. Das ist noch ein lustiger Name, gell? They look so cool. They look a little bit like Wuschelblümli. The bullgrass. So, who would like to be the owner of this hut? Hä? Mit dieser Aussicht. With this view. Gehst du rüber, oder? Oh, fantastic. Hey baby, you look good. Yeah. You look good with this pano. The surrounding. Look, jetzt kommt gerade das erste Bähnli. The first train is coming to Schnynige Platte. You see it? We're looking now for a place for breakfast. And I think this one is quite okay. Was meint ihr? It doesn't look like Switzerland really. Hä? Es sieht so mehr nach Kanada aus. Looks like Canada a little bit. Also was ich von Kanada halt schon im Fernsehen gesehen habe. I've never been to Canada. But I saw it on TV. Mm-hmm. I am not sure if these are the cows from Iseltwald. Because they are so good looking. Hä? Kommen die von Iseltwald? Sag mal. Weißt du nicht, hä? Hey, you are the boss, hä? So wie es aussieht. Die Oberkuh. Hä? The big cow boss. Ja, I think so. Oh, bist du schön. You see the lake there? Das ist ein sehr wenig bekannter See, der Sagistalsee. Here no one really knows this lake, but it sieht eigentlich schön aus. It looks nice. I am not sure if this is still okay for people with which are afraid of heights. Also, geht nicht so krass Loch ab, but yeah, you see it. But I think you can do it. Ist nicht so schlimm, oder? Gibt es Menschen, die da raufrennen? There are people running up here. Crazy. So what you can see there, looking like a pyramid, this is Faulhorn, our goal. Yeah. And from here, you can see Lake Brienz. Schau mal. Krass, oder? We had now a coffee at Berghaus Mandlele. And now we go up a little bit to our main goal, the Faulhorn. But I'm quite not sure if this is ob wir das machen können for people with mit Höhenangst, which are afraid of heights. It's schon noch steep. Hey, we have some kindergarten here. Hey, Sally, want you move? Hi. Hi. How are you? Happy? Happy with this view? Wäre ich also auch. Hä? Ja, wäre ich also auch. Du. Ja, das ist eben a cow's life. Hä? A Swiss cow's life. Schau mal, wie schön das die haben. Hä? They have a good life here. It takes 20 more minutes and then we arrive here. Our goal, finally, after about 6 hours. Gut, gell, wir mussten noch ein bisschen filmen, we had to take pictures and videos, and so we had 2 hours longer than the normal ones. But Rasta, after 6 hours, he's still full of energy. Rasta, you're a crazy boy. And this is the view you get when you are at Faulhorn. Huh? Looking forward to the sunset. Woo. Wow. Die Stimmung. Huh? No view, but Stimmung. Huh? We have mood. Mood ist auch okay. Huh? Total okay.